two of us today have had the benefit of actually launching the new Dell Cambridge HPC Solution Center in the presence of a number of different academic customers, research customers, HPC specialists, and even the media. The first question that I'd actually like to ask Paul is really to comment on the unique relationship that we actually announced today regarding this Solution Center.
I think the first point one should understand about this collaboration is that it's bringing together two technology groups. It's bringing together the technology group from Cambridge with specialist expertise in HPC and how users take advantage of HPC, and combining that expertise with Dell's deep technical dive in commodity technologies, and combining those two technology teams together to help create solutions. That's quite a unique coming together of industry and academia.
Absolutely, and as you think about the broad population of researchers and research institutes that you have relationships with and that actually use your HPC services today, how might they benefit from this closer collaboration between Dell and Cambridge and your Solution Center?
So I think that the first thing that we're trying to achieve with this is to take learnings that we've gained over the years in providing HPC solutions to our internal community here with Dell's commodity computing experience, and how can those learnings be shrink-wrapped into standardized work group HPC solutions which people can just pick up those templates and build their own without having to go through that proofing, testing kind of exploration, which is costly in terms of time. How can they just find a solution which is already fit for purpose? And I think if we manage to do that, it'll be a great benefit to the wider community.
We actually communicated the first deliverable out of the Solution Center today as a storage white paper. Can you comment on that and even the feedback that came from both the research community and from the analysts and some of the media folks that were participating?
So it's widely discussed in the community now that storage is one of the biggest challenges facing your everyday HPC user. I mean, compute power has increased rapidly, which means that storage requirement has increased rapidly to the point now where you have potentially thousands of processors wanting to connect to hundreds of terabytes, petabytes of data. And that's a difficult process to solve. The Lustre white paper was drawing on experiences we've gained in Cambridge over the last 3 years in taking an open source Lustre file system, how one would deploy that on commodity storage, a detailed build recipe on how you can build that, but more importantly, what you expect from that once you've built it. So, what are its performance characteristics? What are its reliability characteristics? What kind of everyday maintenance do you need to do? So first, you as a user can read the white paper and get an understanding of, is this good for me? And if it is good for you, you then have a detailed build recipe of how to deploy it.
Yes. Yes, and we shared some of the IDC-based information in terms of the fact that the HPC marketplace will be growing again this year. It represents about a $9 billion addressable market opportunity for industry in general, and the fact that storage will be growing faster than servers going forward. It also reinforces how the Dell team should be reinforcing our storage solutions when talking with customers regarding HPC opportunities.
Yeah, I mean, Dell have some great basic storage products. It's very high performance, very reliable. What we can do with those with Lustre is take those commodity building blocks and really build something very large and very performant out of commodity technology. And that is a great value to the community.
One of the things we also did with this group was share some of the direct feedback from HPC customers that occurred at a CERN event a year ago in Geneva. And the technical challenges of the HPC community were highlighted, including the processing speed challenge, storage growth challenges that you emphasized a moment ago, network bandwidth, application coding challenges. How will the Solution Center and the collaboration between our organizations assist with addressing some of those practical challenges that are in front of HPC customers today?
with modern commodity HPC technologies, you have a wide range of components that you can deploy. GPU components, a wide range of processor technologies, a wide range of networks, a wide range of storage components, and one has to understand which combination of those components are best for my particular set of applications. So there's a potential strength there, an advantage that you can build stacks tuned to your application environment. The disadvantage is that there's complexity there. And what the Solution Center hopes to do is to provide a range of standardized solutions that we've tested applications to, so we can give you as a user a guide on which type of deployment suits your type of application, and really help guide users through that complex matrix of hardware and application matches.
Yes, and we would make those readily available,
Yeah.
gifted, first of all, to a broader population, and available in the form of white papers that you mentioned before, blueprints,
Yeah, we'll do
presentations.
white papers, technical bulletins, presentations, one-to-one exchanges. Users are open to come and visit us in the Solution Center, and all this will be made freely available and gifted back to the community.
So that's a rather innovative approach out in the marketplace.
It is. I don't think that there are many vendors investing hard-earned money in the creation of freely available technology blueprints, and the community will appreciate that effort.